So I just stumbled across this really fascinating tool called Expert for the Elixir programming language.
Oh, I've heard of it. What's intriguing about it?
Well, it's a language server implementation, which basically helps developers by providing enhanced coding assistance.
Oh, I love that. It's like giving a superpower to a programming environment.
Right, but wait, it actually surprised me to learn that it has some installation steps that vary by OS.
That's not uncommon, but I wonder how they streamline that process.
Yeah, you can download it from their releases page, which makes sense, but I was also intrigued by their nightly builds.
Nightly builds, that sounds risky. What's the deal with those?
Well, it's for experimenting with the latest features. You can grab the latest build using a command in GHCLI.
That's actually a cool option for developers who like to be on the cutting edge.
Totally, but it also raises questions about stability. I mean, how reliable can a nightly build be?
Exactly. While excitement is key, it's essential to have a fallback option, like the stable releases.
For sure, and speaking of reliability, I found it interesting that building from source requires ZIG 114.1.
Oh, right, that's a specific requirement. Does that limit the audience?
It might. Not everyone might have ZIG installed or even know about it.
That's interesting, too. It could create a barrier to entry, especially for beginners.
Absolutely, I wonder if they could offer a more user-friendly installation method.
That's a good point. But once someone has it set up, the benefits must be incredible.
Right, from what I'm reading, once it's running, Expert provides awesome coding assistance.
Like autocomplete and real-time feedback on coding errors.
Exactly, think of it as a coding buddy always there to help.
I love that analogy. But does it support multiple editors, or is it limited?
Oh, it can work with different editors, you just have to point them at the Expert binary.
That's so flexible. But let's talk about the sponsorship aspect. What's going on there?
They have options for corporate sponsorship, which is a big deal for continuous development.
Really? That shows there's serious interest in the project. But how transparent is the funding?
Good question. They mention reaching out to a chairperson, but I wonder how much info is shared about their spending.
Transparency is crucial. Individuals can donate via GitHub sponsors, but who oversees that?
Exactly, it's great to support open source, but clarity on usage builds trust.
This whole structure reminds me of other successful open source projects, like VS Code.
True, they've set a precedent for combined community and corporate sponsorship.
But I wonder, does that risk losing the open source essence?
Good thought. Balancing community interests with corporate influence is tricky.
Definitely. But if done right, Expert could thrive and evolve with robust community input.
Right, they could incorporate user feedback for future updates.
And maybe offer more guides, especially around installation and building.
Now that I think about it, robust documentation could significantly help newcomers.
Absolutely. It's vital for fostering an inclusive developer community.
So in wrapping up, Expert has a lot of promise, but some challenges ahead.
For sure. And how they tackle user support and sponsorship will shape its future.
It's a fascinating case study. I love how much depth there is to explore.
Definitely. And I wonder where they'll be a year from now with all these evolving factors.
Me too, that's the beauty of open source. There's always room for growth and innovation.